Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to create Flybuys account on your PC. Flybuys is Australian customer royalty program equally owned by Coles Group and West Farmers. To create Flybuys account, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type www.flybuys.com.au. AU stands for Australian Web Code. Then press on enter. With that, you'll be taken to Flybuys official website. Now here you can see the option of Join Flybuys on the top right section. Click on the option of Join Flybuys. With that, you'll be taken to Flybuys sign up page. Now here you need to first enter your email address to enroll your new account. Then enter your password that you want to set for your new account. Make sure the password have 8 or more characters, at least one number, uppercase and lowercase letters, special characters and cannot contain spaces. After entering all the information, click on the option of Continue. Now here you need to enter your first name on the given box, then enter your last name on the given box. With that, enter your date of birth. First enter your day, then your month, then your year. You must be over the age of 16 to create an account. Now if you have a temporary card, click on the down facing icon on the option of I have a card. Here you need to enter your membership number and your registration number. With that, once view terms and conditions and privacy policy, then click on the box stating I agree with terms and conditions and privacy policy. Now, if you want to learn about how does Flybuys use your personal information, you can view all the details by clicking on down looking icon. After that, view all the details. Then, after entering all the details, click on Join Flybuys. With that, now here you'll be guided to another page. Now here you need to first enter your mobile number. Your mobile number helps Flybuys keep your account secure. You can view your privacy policy for more information by clicking on privacy policy. Then enter your mobile phone number on the given box. After entering your mobile phone number, click on the option of Send Verification Code. With that, verification code will be sent to the phone number that you have just entered. Now on the next page, you need to enter the verification code that has just been messaged on your mobile phone. After entering your verification code, your account of Flybuys will be created. This is how we can create Flybuys account on PC. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.